everybody. I'm going to use the air gun again. Yeah. I don't know why I always want to give it a different name. Stay. Okay. Oops. So after I do this pour, I will show you my progress with alcohol inks. And don't you fret. These acrylics will always be my first love because I love the brightness though of the alcohol ink though. That's what drew me towards it in the first place. But I'm thinking for my collages, if I don't want to do the alcohol ink, I should print off, get photos of my art and then filter, the color so that the color is like, a bright, vivid something or other. So I bought, this is my white paint, house paint, Floetrol and water only. All these links again in the video description. I wore a respirator today because, you're supposed to be safe. I bought the 91% alcohol. And it's a 3M respirator. It's the pink and gray one. It's got two big pink things on the side. And it got really great reviews. And I've worn it once, but the filters keep coming off the sides. So when I moved my head and one of the filters popped right off, I just took the thing off. I was like, I've probably been exposed. So, but yeah, so I don't know if those of you that do it regularly, do you wear a respirator? I mean, it's a real high alcohol content, but I don't know. And then I saw somebody online saying that they used Everclear, and I thought that was a joke, but apparently it's not. And then she says how, this is Prussian blue, says how she then just decided to add it to her Coke. I'm assuming Coca-Cola. All right. I was going to add the colors one at a time and blow them. But then I thought, that's really going to dry it out. This is a self-mixed yellow. I think there's some gold and orange and it's kind of like a Dijon mustard color now. This is Artist Loft Turquoise with the iridescent medium. Thanks. But man, alcohol inks are hard. And I didn't realize looking at, I keep getting a thick kind of texture around the round parts. I don't know if that just doesn't show on, when I see pictures online or if I just didn't know what to look for. But they make it look so easy. I was doing it with a video in front of me turned on and I'm like, so I don't know if those of you who have asked me so many questions, and I'm always giving the same answer and stuff. I know exactly how it feels now. Because it's really, really freaking hard. Ooh, pretty colors. Woo! Well, I'm keeping this now. It's got white paint all over it. Okay. Went a little nuts. Maybe this is when I should be turning it down. All right, now the entire darn thing's covered in paint. Okay. All right, clearly I have a ways to go learning how to regulate this. A straw is so easy. Roger, how you feeling about this the air compressor? I'm waiting. I can't hear your answer. All right, so I don't know why I keep tilting this. I'm most likely not keeping this. Oops. I need a color, I need a color, I need a color. I'm actually going to go with my burnt umber with iridescent white. And mixed with that, I'm going to put some black. I'm going to shake this really well. Yesterday, 2 days ago, I went to squirt it out and all that came out was clear. So it had totally separated. All right. And this in here is a hodgepodge of different black colors, like there's, I think, the acrylic house paint, there's Mars black, ivory black, metallic black, so on and so forth. Okay. I knew that there was still some blue on here. And blue goes well with, oh wow, I got it all the way over here. Blue goes well with these colors. You know what I'm going to put that out of the way first. All right, I've really got to put something around that edge for when I do this because it's just scraping. You know how like my 2-ounce cups and my 5-ounce cups have kind of like a rounded rim? So I don't get that awful scraping. As you can see, I tilted off any of, or those like big blotchy black spots. But now I want it all to look like that. And instead of that scrapey end, there, paint with the bottom of it. These are such pretty colors in a house too. Very beachy. Browns and blues. guess. And it kind of looks like a wave too. All right. I do like this indeed. Ugh, the whole basement smells like alcohol though. And not like in a fun party way. So there's all my stuff. Oh, but I will show you. Don't laugh. My first attempts. And my third attempt. I like this one. And then that is just a mess up sheet. But you can see I already started slicing and dicing and doing who knows what. I see like a swan or a peacock or something, a duck even. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.